Hey, it's Katie with WTI, and what could I possibly know about a pair of men's joggers? How good my husband looks in them, that's what I know. But here are his thoughts on these pants by Varejogger. The very first thing that we both noticed was the material. It's different from any other pair of joggers that he owns. It reminded me of a women's bathing suit. So honestly, we were a little bit concerned about how much he would be giving away when he wore these pants because of the material, but he had absolutely nothing to worry about. This did not cling to him like we thought it would. In fact, because of the material, these pants really breathe and he can be so comfortable in them. My husband also liked the zipper pocket on the front. He was skeptical with how low it was. He realized that having the pocket a little bit lower on the leg meant that his phone wasn't getting hit by any of the weights as he was setting them down. My husband is 5'10" and he has a 34-inch waist, so he did go with the large. They fit him perfectly around the waist, and they are just a little bit long on him, but because of the tapered ankle, it just means they're a little bit baggy at the ankle. They're not dragging underneath his shoe. He really does wear these all of the time, and you are going to love them too. And that's our point of view.